Hello students, today I am going to show you how to apply sorting, filter and other options. Here you can see one table I have created already. I can show you the structure of the table. For that you have to go to view and click on the design option. Then you can see that first field name is student ID, second field name is name, where data type I have given text, date of birth, DOB, I have given date and time, and class I have given it lookup wizard, and contact number I give, and primary key here is student ID. It is the primary key. After that you just click on the save button, then click on view and you will get data sheet. So this is data sheet view, and if I have to sort it, then I have to sort it in data sheet view. So it is already sorted, but name are not sorted. So name, if I want to sort, then I have to go to this option which is there in the home tab itself, sort and filter. So I click on the ascending order. Let us see. When I click on ascending order, you can see A letter came first, C letter go second, then K, T, P. So this is one way you can, a column can be applied as an ascending order. Or you want to remove it, select all or click on option. So text here, click on OK. Yes. So here you want to make the ascending order number wise or ID wise, then you can do this one. This is how you can arrange the data. S1, S01, S02 is the way it will come. Then next is our filtering. Filtering, suppose here you want particularly, suppose text filter is there, equal to suppose letter V. If I give V, click on OK. Doesn't match, 1 minute, because I have to write complete name, otherwise it will not appear. So I have to write text equal to any name. I can write Vikram, suppose B C R A M. Then after that click on OK. So Vikram will show. This is the text filter. Select all will appear. Here number, actually contact number is there, so number also there. Number here, if I want to suppose edit another field, okay, I'll add another field. Design view go, then suppose admission, add, then fees, add fees. This one, if I give it number, click on save, then view. The admission fees, suppose 100, 1500. So one I gave, suppose 1600, suppose 1000. Different value put and see. It will be easy for you to know how to use number filtering. And what is 2500. So this is different admission fees I have put it here. Now this one, if I want, the number filtering I can apply. Suppose here options are there: equal to, does not equal to, less than, greater than, between. So suppose greater than, if I put greater than 1800, then you can see only 2 values will appear. Otherwise select all will appear. So this is how you can do filtering, and this is how you can apply sorting. So these all options are there in MS Access. I have already showed you how to create database by using this design view or in dataset view. Yes, once I have to show you dataset view. So let us see one dataset view, how to create a table. So for that I have to go to file, first to save it, then after that create you go, then table you click. This is by default, this is called dataset view. So click to add field. Now you have to select the data type. Suppose here I am to select name. Again add to click field. Add to click field, address. So this is how you can create a database in table by using dataset view. So name you can enter, then we can enter address, then after that we have to click on the save button, The by default table 1 it will come. You can give any name, suppose students. Okay. In this table, if you go to dataset view or design view, you can see that ID take auto number, name take text number, and address to text. So automatically data type will be taken when you create a table by using dataset view. So this is very important for you to know the create a table, how steps has to follow by both by design view or dataset view. Suppose in design view, you have to go to design. Here in design view, this is design view. And when you click on the view button, again you click on it, this is dataset view. So dataset view will enter the data. So this is how we can do it. Query, form, report are not required. This is not there in the course, but this is the basic things you need to know. You need to practice it. If you find any difficulties, you can tell me and I will try to help you.